Ever wondered about the role of deer in our ecosystem? These graceful guardians occupy a special place in our world, a testament to the beauty and resilience of nature. From the lush forests of North America, where the white-tailed deer roam, to the snow-capped peaks of the Arctic, home to the hardy reindeer, deer inhabit a myriad of habitats across the globe. Their behavior is just as diverse as their habitats. As herbivores, they graze on everything from grasses to shrubs, contributing to the health of the ecosystems in which they live. And then, there's the spectacle of the rut, where males display their might in a competition for mates. But the role of deer in our world is not just about survival and propagation. They are symbols of the natural world, reminders of the delicate balance that exists in nature. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of these magnificent creatures. Deer, a sight to behold, are herbivores and feed primarily on vegetation. Their diet is as diverse as the habitats they occupy. From the lush green grass of meadows, the crisp leaves of the forest, to the hardy shrubs of the mountains, deer consume a variety of plant life. This constant grazing not only sustains these elegant creatures, but also plays a critical role in shaping the ecosystems they inhabit. Their behavior is a fascinating spectacle. Deer are social animals, often found in herds, but it's during the mating season that their behavior truly captivates us. This period, known as the rut, is marked by males engaging in fierce and often dramatic displays of dominance. From thunderous clashes of antlers to intense chases, the rut is a time of heightened activity and energy among deer populations. Males, known as bucks, adorn themselves with impressive antlers, a symbol of their strength and vitality. These antlers serve a dual purpose. They're not just for wooing females, but also for asserting dominance over rival males. The winner earns the right to mate with the females, ensuring the survival of the fittest. Females, or does meanwhile, have their own significant role to play. They are the nurturers, the ones who give birth and care for the young. Their keen senses and protective instincts ensure the survival of the next generation. Deer are also known for their agility and speed. A deer's ability to swiftly leap and run through dense forests helps them escape from predators, adding a thrilling dynamic to the age-old dance of the hunter and the prey. These graceful creatures not only captivate us with their beauty, but also play a vital role in maintaining the balance of nature. They are integral threads in the tapestry of life, shaping and being shaped by the environments they inhabit. Observing them, we are reminded of the intricate web of life that binds us all together, a symphony of existence played out in the heart of the wilderness. Despite their serene existence, deer face numerous threats that jeopardize their survival. Their natural habitats, the lush forests, verdant meadows, and rugged mountains, are shrinking at an alarming rate. As urbanization spreads, the wilderness recedes, leaving the deer with less and less room to roam. Their food sources dwindle, their mating grounds disappear, and they are pushed closer to human settlements, leading to a rise in human-deer conflicts. But habitat loss is only one part of the story. This illegal hunting not only depletes their populations but also disrupts their social structures, leading to long-term damage that can be difficult to reverse. Now let's talk about something that might seem mundane but is a deadly peril for deer-vehicle collisions. The result? Thousands of deer lose their lives each year in collisions with vehicles, a tragedy that impacts not only the deer populations but also human lives and property. The threats to deer are many and varied, but they all share a common source: human activity. Yet the same species that poses these threats also holds the power to mitigate them. Through responsible urban planning, stringent law enforcement, and public awareness, we can reduce the impact of these threats on deer populations. The survival of these iconic animals is at stake, making conservation efforts more critical than ever. It's a responsibility we all share, for in ensuring their survival, we are also preserving the health and diversity of our planet's ecosystems. In the face of mounting threats, numerous conservation efforts are underway to protect deer. From local grassroots campaigns to global initiatives, people across the world are rallying to safeguard these graceful guardians of the forest. One key area of focus is habitat conservation. Protecting and restoring the natural environments where deer live is crucial. This involves setting aside protected areas, implementing sustainable land use practices, and restoring degraded habitats. It's all about giving deer the space they need to thrive. Another significant effort is aimed at reducing human-deer conflicts. This includes developing and promoting strategies for coexistence, such as public education campaigns about deer behavior and implementing measures to prevent deer from venturing into human-populated areas. Additionally, efforts to design roads and highways with wildlife crossings help to reduce vehicle collisions, one of the major threats to deer populations. Protection against poaching is also critical. Laws and regulations that prohibit the illegal hunting of deer are being enforced more strictly than ever. The enforcement is often backed by technology, like the use of drones for surveillance and GPS tracking to monitor deer populations. And let's not forget about the role of scientific research. Studies are being conducted to better understand deer behavior, biology, and ecology. This knowledge aids in the creation of effective conservation strategies and informs policy decisions. Then, there are captive breeding and release programs which provide a safety net for deer populations at risk. These programs breed deer in a controlled environment and then release them into the wild, helping to bolster populations that are dwindling. In addition to these, community involvement is fundamental. Engaging local communities in conservation efforts not only helps protect deer, but also fosters a sense of stewardship for the natural world. Through concerted efforts, we can ensure the survival of these majestic creatures for generations to come. As we strive to protect deer, we are also safeguarding the forests they inhabit, the biodiversity they support, and the ecological balance they help maintain. After all, every effort made to conserve deer is an investment in the future of our planet. Deer are not just inhabitants of the forest, they are its guardians. These graceful animals play a pivotal role in preserving the health and diversity of forest ecosystems around the globe. From the towering redwoods of California to the dense rainforest of Asia, deer are crucial contributors to the vitality of these habitats. Let's delve into this a bit. Deer are what we call keystone species. This means they have a disproportionately large effect on their environment relative to their population size. Deer help to shape the forest in many ways. Through their feeding habits, they control the growth of underbrush, allowing sunlight to reach the forest floor and encouraging the growth of a variety of plant species. This, in turn, provides habitats and food for other wildlife, contributing to the overall biodiversity of the forest. But it's not just about their ecological role. Deer also hold a special place in our hearts and minds as symbols of resilience and beauty. Their graceful movements and gentle demeanor have inspired countless works of art and literature and have made them beloved icons of the natural world. They represent the wild, untamed beauty of nature, reminding us of a world that exists beyond our cities and towns. Yet, despite their importance, deer face numerous threats. From habitat loss and climate change to poaching and vehicle collisions, these challenges are daunting, but there's hope. Conservation efforts across the globe are making strides in protecting deer and their habitats, ensuring their survival for generations to come. In a world where wilderness is increasingly rare, the presence of deer reminds us of the magic and wonder of the natural world. They symbolize the delicate balance of life, the resilience of nature in the face of adversity, and the enduring beauty of our planet. Let's cherish these graceful guardians of the forest and do our part to protect the wild spaces they call home. The survival of deer is integral to the survival of the ecosystems they inhabit. These graceful guardians of the forest, from the white-tailed deer of North America to the hardy reindeer of the Arctic, are not just symbols of natural beauty and resilience. They play a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of their ecosystems. By feeding primarily on vegetation, they control plant growth and create habitats for other wildlife species. However, their survival is threatened by habitat loss, poaching, and human-deer conflicts. It's our collective responsibility to mitigate these threats and ensure their survival for generations to come. Conservation efforts are underway, but each of us can contribute by respecting their habitats and supporting initiatives aimed at their protection. By cherishing and protecting these magnificent creatures, we contribute to preserving a world worth living for future generations. In doing so, we ensure that the enchanting world of deer and the magic of the natural world continue to inspire awe and wonder in us all.